Hello and welcome to another update video on Bitcoin. It seems like we have our 5-wave move to the upside. I'm not quite sure if this really is 5 waves up, but certainly more in line with the white scenario than blue. So definitely give the bulls here the chance that we go higher. The support levels are holding. And I'm making this video just before our member live stream, so I keep it short, but wanted to give you an update because we do have the 5 waves we were watching for, and we are about to break above the Thursday high, which means, yeah, the trend is up, right? Trend is up, and with 5 waves up, even though they're a bit questionable, the focus remains on higher prices. Nothing has really changed. I mean, even with one more low, the price would have remained on higher prices, right? Especially as long as we are holding critical support levels at around 113,800 or 112,290. Now, with 5 waves up, though, the question is what's next? Now, after 5 waves, we normally want to see a corrective pullback, and we can expect a higher low to hold, okay? Of course, it's not guaranteed, but we can expect that. So the answer to that question is what's next? It would be a corrective pullback, but clearly hasn't started yet because we are still in wave 5. So now wave 4 was shallow, as I said. That may be a bit concerning because it's not quite clear if this really is 5 waves up, but there was a news catalyst around the tariffs. So that might have just been the reason for the shallow wave 4. But it doesn't change anything, right? So I think what we want to talk about are the next resistance levels, and they are, well, we just attacked that next one, which is the Thursday high. It's probably broken when you watch the video, and then we've got 121,000 as next one, and then 123,000 area as the next one, and the next focus is also then here on the 126k level as, I would say, first ideal target for wave 5. So it's looking good. If we get a wave 2 pullback, then this would be an ABC structure, and I can't really give you a support zone yet that we can fully define. We can put it on the chart, but really, it's going to move with the price. I mean, sometimes when I put these on the chart, people think that, okay, you said there's a pullback, but I'm not saying there's a pullback now, right? This is just support. If we get a pullback now, this would be the support zone to watch. So wave 2 should ideally, I'd say, hold around 117 to 117.7k, like the 50% to 38.2 retracement. But the key support is down there at 115.7k, so that level ideally should hold. But I'm going to remove it again because we haven't topped yet, so this zone will need to be adjusted. I put it on the chart once we have a first signal of a top. But yeah, overall, I mean, we're still in a bullish market. You know that. We talked about that. And the overall uptrend remains intact. When can we say that we have a first indication for a top? So, I mean, it's quite easy because normally I'd say it takes a break below that last swing low there around 117.9k. But really, I think as far as I can see it here, it would be a break below the 50% retracement as an early indication. So we want to see a break below 118,750 as early indication of a top. That is when we really get the earliest indication that a top of sorts is formed. And that is when we might start to think about that wave 2 support zone, wave 2 pullback area. And actually what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to label how that 5th wave up would look like circle wave 5, right? So like that. This would be the ideal roadmap. And then once we have a local top, I'm going to put that support area onto the chart. Yeah. So I think it looks really good. The idea that this here could still be a structure for another low in the blue scenario, it might still be relevant, but honestly, this is now basically getting invalidated, that B wave up, and so I need to think about an alternative. You could say an alternative scenario, yeah. An alternative short-term bearish scenario, because we still need one. We haven't really broken out yet. It's looking good, but we're not out of the woods yet, okay? So I'll keep you updated about that. There'll probably be another video later today. Maybe we'll see each other in our member live stream. Again, it's like in 20 minutes, so if you want to join, you can check it out. So if you're interested in our membership feel free to watch the membership video on our channel page. You also get access to member-only updates. Today I covered Kronos, for example. And as a gold member, you also get access to a lot of additional updates on Discord. Yeah, that's the update on Bitcoin. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.